The Typhon Tyrant X 1-ton mini excavator is engineered for contractors, landscapers, farmers, and property owners who demand strong performance in tight spaces. Compact in size yet powerful in operation for trenching, digging, landscaping, and light construction projects. Powered by a Briggs Stratton 13.5 horsepower gasoline engine, the Tyrant X delivers reliable starting, stable power output, and excellent fuel efficiency for daily job site use. Powerful 13.5 horsepower Briggs Stratton USA engine provides consistent power for digging, lifting, trenching, and material handling. Built-in hydraulic oil cooler helps prevent overheating during extended operation. The hydraulic system maintains stable performance in hot climates and supports longer working hours. Hydraulic thumb clip included for grabbing rocks, logs, debris, and construction materials. Performance specifications. Operating weight is 1 ton with Briggs Stratton gasoline engine and power output of 10 kilowatts/13.5 horsepower. Hydraulic flow is 18 liters per minute with working pressure of 16 megapascals and travel speed of 2 kilometers per hour. Fuel tank capacity is 5 liters, and hydraulic oil tank capacity is 5 liters with bucket capacity of 0.025 cubic meters. Bucket width is 380 millimeters with maximum digging depth of 1,650 millimeters and maximum digging height of 2,495 millimeters. With compact dimensions of 2,170 by 940 by 2,200 millimeters, the excavator offers excellent maneuverability. Ideal for backyard projects, narrow pathways, indoor demolition, farm and agricultural use, landscaping jobs, and small construction sites. Its 1-ton operating weight allows easy transport on small trailers without requiring special permits,